red wire to 12 volts. If in 2025 you do not have a rear view camera, Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, you are seriously missing out on the tech that makes driving quite nice, quite enjoyable. Okay, some people might say that it's a money pit to upgrade the older vehicle or a vehicle that you're using for work. And to a certain extent, I would agree, especially if you're going for a custom-built, expensive media unit like the 14.9 Android screen from Extrons. But for those of you that don't really want to invest in an expensive system, there is this product, CarpodGo T3, that gives you the best of both worlds. So you're able to have a high-quality screen. It's easy to install, it's easy to remove, doesn't cost a fortune. When you want to sell the vehicle, if you want to remove it, you can remove it, but still gives you many of the perks that the more expensive upgrades are or the newer vehicles are offering. So look at this little baby. I've installed it just for testing in my BMW. It's easy to integrate with the vehicle, has some interesting options and ways of integrating with vehicles, and the one that is quite a big selling point for me is the fact that you're able to stream the sound in multiple ways. The easiest thing to do if you have a system that really is hard to connect to, you have the capability of generating a radio station on a set frequency and you will be getting the sound like that. Okay, there will be some calibration things that you need to do with regards to the sound level. If you want some help with that, get in touch. But check this out. I'm listening to the sound from my Apple phone on the frequency that the radio station has been set to. This is a very easy way to connect. You are still having the basic auxiliary cable from the unit to an auxiliary port. You also have the option of using the Bluetooth receiver that the unit supplies should you have the auxiliary input. And a more fancy way of connecting the stuff is via a Bluetooth streaming capability. On newer vehicles, you're able to stream sound from your phone, and this unit has the capability of just showing the image and your phone streaming the sound to the vehicle and doing some strange magic. Overall, very interesting integration. Now, just take a look at the screen quality and the layout and how the system works. We have it in quite intense light outside. Everything works quite nice. They are integrated even changing the capability of changing the logo to something that you have on your vehicle, a different vehicle, not having to go with their CarpodGo logo. Interesting perk, well thought of. Light intensity can be adjusted. The screen has, as you have noticed, is by default connecting to either Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. All the apps are streamlined, everything works as you would expect. Brightness can be set manually or can be adjusted automatically with the light sensor. You have even a night view mode in which you set a night shift, a time frame in which it will dim. But the interesting bit is just by pulling on the top, it switches between the two modes and you can manually adjust it even like that. Okay, looks basic, gives you all that you need, all that you want. Sound will require a little bit of perfecting, but let's be real. It's at a fraction of the price of an expensive full system upgrade. It actually performs the tasks that it is promising. The screen is really high quality and it is a size that is manageable. So it is bigger than having a phone, but not as big as a massive screen upgrade. Let me know what you think about these types of products. Have you tested them? Are you considering ordering such a thing? I'll see if I'm able to negotiate a discount with the guys from CarpodGo, and if that happens, links will be available in the description below. enjoy a product like this one, and hopefully I'm going to see you in the next one.